How to cancel a Doordash order. To cancel a Doordash order, you can follow these steps. You first want to open up the Doordash app and go over to the Orders tab. Once you're on there, you want to tap on the order that you want to cancel and then tap Help in the top right corner of the screen. You then want to select Cancel Order and then follow the prompts on screen to complete the cancellation. Now you can actually also cancel a Doordash order by calling the Doordash customer service. So you can call them at 855 973 1040. And here are some things to keep in mind when you are actually cancelling a Doordash order. You can only cancel an order before it has been confirmed by the restaurant. If you cancel an order after it has been confirmed, you may be charged a cancellation fee. If you cancel an order after the dasher has been assigned, the dasher may still be compensated for their time and effort. And that is exactly how you can cancel a Doordash order. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.